How should you use the benchmarking data, and why is it important?
Well, so benchmarking is obviously showing you what industry is doing, and you can trend rather than looking at, say, the individual factors when you've got your scores and saying, I've got the lowest score in accident and near miss reporting, for example, if it was talking safety culture around demands and stress. It's looking against the benchmarking data and actually seeing where you are against everyone else that's using the tool, or specifically if you've got the industry benchmarking, seeing where those differences are. So it might be you're scoring lower in one factor, but actually when you're looking against all of the other organizations using your tool, that one's not that far off, and it might highlight a different factor, maybe a good area to focus on. But in reality, the data is only going to tell you so much. That just helps sort of set the focus of what you might want to cover off within a working group. But then the working groups really help you understand the data and what's really going on and what you might need to do as an organization to change, and obviously developing those action plans. So the data is a good starting point. It's just try to qualify that data against the benchmarking, but then against more qualitative data of that engagement with the workers through sort of the working groups.